Hi, I'm Andrea Metcalf with your home living tips and tricks. You know, eventually with kids or with moving, you're going to find some dents on your walls or even holes from changing where a picture might go. You'll need to spackle these first and then touch them up with paint for to have a good surface. Now, for really deep dings, and you'll need some mesh, you'll need sandpaper, spackle, and a little spackle applicator. The first thing you're going to do is open up your spackle. All right, here's our spackle. The first thing you're going to want to do is get down to the surface and apply a little bit of spackle onto the wall. Now for really deep dents, you're going to need some mesh to hold this in place, like if there was a hammer hole or a giant dent. Let's spackle first. We're just filling in the edges so you can have a nice smooth surface. Next, you'll need a piece of mesh. You'll cut this to the size of the hole. Next, apply the mesh over the dent. And apply more spackle. Let that dry for about 20 to 30 minutes or the recommended on the label. After this has become dry and you'll be able to feel it, you're going to lightly sand so that the paint sticks and you have a nice smooth surface. Next, you're ready to paint. I'm Andrea Metcalf. Be healthy and be moved.